In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix echo on Google Meet. Echo usually happens when your microphone picks up sound coming from your speakers and feeds it back into the call. The quickest way to stop it is to route your audio correctly and confirm the right devices are selected. I'll walk you through that now. Start by opening Google Calendar. From your calendar, pick the meeting where you're experiencing echo. Opening the meeting from your calendar is handy because it takes you straight into the right Google Meet with all the details attached. Click Join with Google Meet to move to the pre-join screen. On the pre-join screen, take a moment to check your microphone. You should see the mic icon and a small level meter that moves when you speak. Say a few words and make sure the meter responds. If it doesn't, your mic might be muted or the wrong device might be active. Keep your mic a comfortable distance from your mouth and avoid tapping or rubbing it, which can create extra noise. Next, click on headphones to route your audio output to your headset. This single change prevents your speakers from blasting sound into your mic and is the most reliable way to eliminate feedback. If you already have headphones connected, this option ensures Meet uses them. Once that looks good, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Inside the meeting, open More Options, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Audio section. First, check the microphone field. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, ideally the mic that's built into your headset or the one you intend to use. Speak naturally and watch for the input level to move. If it spikes into the red, lower your input volume slightly or move the mic a little farther away. If it doesn't move at all, select a different mic from the list. Now check the speaker field. Click on Speaker and pick your headphones or the audio device you want Meet to use. This ensures you're not sending sound out through external speakers that can cause echo. If your volume seems low, adjust it here so you can hear clearly without cranking it on the computer side. That's it. By joining through your calendar, confirming your mic on the pre-join screen, switching your output to headphones, and verifying both the microphone and speaker in settings, you'll stop echo and keep your calls clear. Keep these settings as your default, and you'll be ready for echo-free meetings every time.